Hey everybody, my name's Jeremy and thank you for watching the Hangar Garage. Today we're going to partake in one of my all-time favorite summer activities. To me, it's the essence of what kicks off the summer season and all of the automotive related activities that we get to partake in. The installation of the summer wheels. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be taking off the old 18-inch winter wheelies, and we're going to be putting these big scrams on. These are a staggered set of 20-inch BMW OEM wheels. Now, they have some absolutely worn to pieces tread on them from last season. In the back, we've got, I believe this is a 20 by 11 with, it takes a 315 width tire, and in the front, we've got a 275 width. Now, this is going on my grocery getter, the family mobile, 2007 BMW X5. Time to show it some love and get these 18-inchers off here and put the summers on. As you can see, also got some fresh meats. Look at the size of this thing. That's what she said. Anyway, ordered a full set of 4. They are Achilles Desert Hawk. They got some good reviews. Never tried them before, so I'm going to give them a go. Maybe later on I'll let you guys know my thoughts on them, but price was right. They look nice, and here they are. So ordered set. Only these two have shown up so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the wheels, and then as soon as the other two come in, which is going to come in tomorrow, I'm going to take them and those to have somebody put them on these, because I don't have the ability to do that myself. All right, let's get to it. Oh, these go on my car, the idiot mobile over there. These are my 19-inch Axis summer wheels to replace my 18-inch winters. So we'll show you that too. All right, they're on. Couple things to note when you guys are putting on your wheels. Maybe some of you guys know this, maybe some of you don't. Make sure that you check for the rotational direction of your tires. Not all of them are directional, but some of them are. You're gonna look around the outside edge here for a little mark that says rotation with an arrow. So make sure you put them so that the arrow is pointing towards the front of the car. That's how you want them to spin. Another thing to make sure that you remember doing is torquing your lug nuts actually to spec. You saw me do that right at the end there. Don't want to over tighten them. Too many ugga duggas, not a good thing. So get them down there with the handgun or with the impact gun a little bit. Not all the way, not too many ugga duggas, and then actually torque them down to spec right where they need to be. So this one is done. I got to put the center caps on yet, and then as we drive this around, it looks like it's riding a little high, but that's just because the springs need to reseat. The suspension needs to resettle. So I'm gonna drive that around for a moment and do that. Throw the new tires in the back, and then we'll be all set for a tire change tomorrow. All right, took it around the block, settled in. Having somebody else to go take it for a little test drive right now. Looks a lot better. Of course, still got the old crappy tires on it, so it doesn't handle the best. But that'll get all fixed tomorrow when I get them new meats put on. So all in all, it's good. Looks so much better. It just needed those 20s. It needed them in a bad way. I'm actually taking this time to change from the run flats to just a standard tire. So even though there's less sidewall, it should actually ride about the same, if not better. Oh, it looks so good. All right, on to the next one. wrapped up for the night. All of the wheels are mounted, tightened down, torqued to spec, aired up to the proper pressures. Only really had one wheel that had lost pressure over the winter, which it's not uncommon. I mean, it happens. It's holding air now. Aired it up, double checked it. Oh, I just love the look of summer wheels again after the winters. Maybe I just need to get better looking winter wheels. I mean, I probably do, but for the meantime, I'm happy with my summers. Coming up in a little while, we'll probably do some feature videos on all of the Hangar fleet, all of the cars that we all have and what they are, what the mods are, what future mod plans we have for them. But in the meantime, I'm wrapping this one up. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.